Nobody tells you how easily you can derail a negotiation. Not your boss, not your best friend, not even the smartest people in the room. And yet, perception, communication, emotion, these three hidden forces sabotage talks every single day. William Ury and Roger Fisher founded the Harvard Negotiation Project and laid bare the worst mistakes in their classic book Getting to Yes. Today, I'll reframe their wisdom in a fresh, powerful, and brutally honest narrative designed to arm you before your next negotiation. And I'll promise you this, if you avoid these three traps, you'll drastically increase your chances of getting what you want without burning bridges. First, perception. We all wear invisible filters. We don't see situations as they are, we see them as we are. That bias is a silent killer. Picture this exchange: tenant, I always pay rent on time. Landlord, she never pays until reminded. Tenant, the rent is too high. Landlord, it hasn't changed in years. Tenant, she seems cold and distant. Landlord, I respect her privacy. Same facts, different stories. Your mind fills in the blanks with assumptions, and those assumptions shape your reaction. How to escape this trap? Tip 1, ***, don't let fear write the script. When you default to the worst explanations, you sabotage trust before the first word is spoken. Ask yourself, am I assuming malice or misunderstanding? Tip 2, share your perception out loud. This is how I see it, what are you seeing? Invite them to show you their version. It's a reset button. Tip 3, ***, walk in their shoes. Empathy isn't weakness, it's clarity. Feel what they're feeling. Tip 4, ***, steer clear of blame language. Replace "you lied" with "I feel confused." This shift keeps defensiveness at bay and builds openness. Tip 5, ***, co-create solutions. People will only commit to what they help shape. If you exclude them, you guarantee resistance. Next, communication. Imagine you're talking but no one's listening because they're busy crafting their rebuttal. That's a recipe for collision. Here's the fix, ***. 1. Listen to understand ***, not to craft your comeback. 2. Reflect back ** what you heard. So you're saying. 3. Ask them to reflect * on your words. Can you tell me what you understood? This 3-layer method works like magic. They feel heard. Misunderstandings get futzed out. The entire dialogue slows down and becomes collaborative. Ever been shouted at? Yelling means they don't feel understood. So reflect, ask, and slow things down. Finally, emotion. Tough talks are emotional battlegrounds. Words matter, but feelings matter more. Here's what to do, ***. Name it. I'm feeling frustrated. I'm worried this deal won't stick. Invite their feelings too. How are you experiencing this? Give them space to vent. Don't interrupt. They need to get it all out. When you clear the emotional fog, logical negotiation can begin. If you ignore emotion, tensions erupt later, even if you close the deal. So there you have it. Perception, communication, emotion, the 3 Harvard traps that wreck agreements. Dodge them, and you'll be negotiating with clarity, respect, and results. If this helped sharpen your negotiation edge, consider diving deeper into Getting to Yes. No fluff, just rock-solid techniques. You'll see the link on screen next. Thanks for watching. Now go negotiate like a pro.